Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate content updates with WordPress easy tutorial step by step clearly. To automate content updates with WordPress, start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the plugins section on the left sidebar. Click on Add New to search for automation plugins. One popular choice is WP Scheduled Posts. Install and activate the plugin. Once activated, find the plugin settings in your dashboard. Configure the plugin according to your needs. You can set up automated scheduling for your posts. Next, create a new post or edit an existing one. In the post editor, find the scheduling options. Select the date and time you want the post to go live. Save your changes. Now, you can also consider using a content syndication plugin. Search for Feedsy RSS feeds in the plugins section. Install and activate Feedsy. After activation, go to the plugin settings. Here, you can link to your preferred RSS feeds. Customize how frequently content is pulled from these feeds. Save your settings. Now, you can create posts that automatically fetch content from other sources. If you want to automate updates for existing content, consider using the Revive Old Post plugin. Install and activate this plugin. Go to the Revive Old Post settings. Select how frequently you'd like to share your older posts on social media platforms. Save the changes to ensure updates are automated. For more advanced automation, look into using Zapier with WordPress. Create a Zapier account and connect it with WordPress. Build zaps that trigger content updates based on specific actions. Make sure to test each automation to see if it's working correctly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.